been on top yet?
Yeah, it was on hold. Yeah.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, Campbell. Chair 6 is on hold.
no, I meant,
over
Green
the
Valley.
Rainier. Yeah, it's great over there. It's drier.
Not too foggy?
No, not at all. And it snows drier. Like, it's hotter, but hotter on this chair and below is pretty wet. It's much nicer over there.
Was there any groomers up there? Not really.
No. I think, no. Not in Green Valley.
The website didn't show any.
No. No, but it's nice because that, if you do take the route that everyone takes on the Green Valley chair, it's powdery and it's not icy.
Oh, if you take the pace, you just go down.
You do that too. That's great.
Yeah, I considered going up there, but it's looking a little soupy right now.
It wasn't half an hour ago. It was perfect. You could see.
Hey, this looks like fun.
Yeah, I think it's just a little wetter. It's definitely drier in the bowl.
Oh yeah, it's higher up.
Yeah. This is hard for me. It's like, I don't have the big powder skis, so these don't float as well.
Okay.
Or you're doing fine with those, you guys. So.
Oh yeah, these are my all mountain skis.
Yeah.
Everybody else buys 2 and 3 pairs and says, "Oh, I should have had my powder skis today."
Right.
Well, guess what? I have my powder skis every day.
Right. Yeah, these aren't too bad, but it definitely would be nice to have some more rocker in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think when they made this ski here, they did a good job.
Yeah.
And they're real playful because you got that carbon fiber tip.
Oh, I see.
So there's a lot of, it doesn't throw you,
Yeah.
in a mogul. It
Oh.
really conforms
Yeah, okay.
to the whatever, the dips and stuff.
Right. Yeah.
So it's a great ski.
Huh. They still make them?
Yeah, this one's 3 years old.
Uh-huh.
Now they got this is Soul 7. I think
Yeah.
they've got the next one is a Super 7. Every year they
name.
somehow improve it, so I want you to buy the next.
Yeah. More carbon
I'll
fiber.
keep it like 5 years and then I'll break down.
Yeah.
I can't believe the sun is trying to poke through. It'd be great if it would just burn off the haze.
But this guy who we went up in the gondola, he's like, you can see Rainier, and he says, you can see it through the blue clouds.
Oh, okay. Oh, you actually could see it?
Yeah, you could.
Okay.
So that was pretty funny.
I also lost a ski.
Oh yeah. Yeah, when we were going up on the gondola, the wind kicked one of the skis out of the rack. So it's like, good Lord, luckily it was gettable.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
So it's like, well, how are you supposed to keep these skis in there?
Oh my gosh. So you just hiked down?
Yeah, luckily it was just
Yeah.
down the bowl a little bit. Not, not nowhere crazy.
Yeah, I've heard that happens. Normally it's snowboards because they're wider and they catch a bit more wind.
It's like what? You got to bring a bungee strap with you when you load? It's like, it's going to happen again.
Yeah. Oh. I'm surprised because they dropped down in there a couple of feet.
Yeah.
In that slot.
I think they got separated because you got those big tips. Did you have the ski brakes locked together?
No, I put that.
It's probably, it'll give you more weight.
That would help.
Mhm.
The planner would be locked, enough weight.
That would really help. Sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, with these big tips, it's hard to get them in.
Yeah, if you lock them together and stick them in.
It's hard to they're so wide at the bottom to get them to fit.
Oh, I see. I see.
That with that camber, it's like the rock rigging. You have to put them in like this and then snap them together.
You can also take them inside the cab with you.
Yeah, you might want to do that.
Like Whistler,
Yeah.
Mm.
you just carry the skis inside. They don't have the.
Oh, yeah, that's true. They're
The,
smart. They gave up on trying to make slots the right size.
Yeah.
Because it's like
So everybody just
every year it's
yeah.
different. I mean, yeah, traditionally there was no snowboards, and all of a sudden the snowboards. How are we gonna fit these in?
No, on a windy day on that gondola, I would just take the skis inside.
Yeah, that is smart. That's what I did that thing.